How to uninstall all bloatware apps on Windows 11. First things first, before we get started, it is not going to be only for Windows 11, but it will also be working for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So it's just very simple. All you have to do is just to head straight to your Windows icon and just type in apps and features. Now simply click on apps and features, and then you will be redirected to the settings. So in this method right here, this is not going to be requiring to download any software. The one that we're doing right now is just a manual cleanup drive. And here, these are all going to be the apps that you should be able to see that you have installed on your Windows 11. So for example, you have located that specific bloatware or unnecessary applications in here. Simply click on that and hit on uninstall. You can actually do it multiple times as long as all the bloated apps in here is usually located. And that's basically it. It's how you uninstall all bloatware apps on Windows 11.